Good morning, everybody. Before we start, check out these personal step-by-step guides if you want to make the most profit from your investments. Link to both of them is in the description. General outlook on Bitcoin and the market. Confident in a bullish continuation, targeting September as the likely end of the current cycle. Despite the media pessimism, there is no evidence of why there shouldn't be a bullish continuation. Bitcoin analysis. Still trending upward, despite bearish divergences on the monthly and weekly charts. Bearish divergences are seen in RSI and money flow index. Some signals might cancel out or reset with bullish divergence. Ichimoku weekly trend signal still active, support slow, steady upward trend. Key daily support at $106,600, but no change in trend. Continuation likely. Altcoin market cap. Golden cross retest, V-shaped recovery, continuation expected. Now pushing resistance. If broken, next targets are 1.14T, 1.6T, possibly 1.7T plus. Weekly chart also strong. Above all moving averages, breaking above cloud. A trend or pump signal could appear soon. Bitcoin dominance. Dominance is falling, which is bullish for altcoins, targeting a drop into 50s, 40s, maybe even 30s before September. Currently showing a lower high and could break down further if 64% support fails. Cycle perspective and historical comparison. Current market conditions is similar to late 2020, when altcoins were unpopular just before exploding. What's going up will always go up is not always true. My suggestion is to find a promising coin, which is currently far from its all-time high. Now through September should be the most explosive for altcoins. Personal strategy and experience. My personal strategy is to hold until September and probably cash out most of my investments. My main portion of money is on Algorand, and I believe it will rise at least up to $2, which would be 10x from now. Conclusion. The cycle is intact and strong, not broken. Expecting altcoin strength to grow. September remains the key time frame to watch for a cycle peak and potential exit point.
If you need a more detailed analysis with a step-by-step guide, check out these programs. Link in the description. Here are today's top 10 coins for investment.
Number 10. Pole. Price, 24 cents. Market cap, $2.47 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour, $158.68 million. Total supply, 10.44 billion. Circulating supply, 10.44 billion. Number 9. Chill Guy. Price, 6 cents. Market cap, $60.36 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $25.32 million. Total supply, 999.95 million. Circulating supply, 999.95 million. Number 8. Price, $1.07. Market cap, $19.84 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $2.25 million. Total supply, 25 million. Circulating supply, 18.54 million. Number 7. SPX. The SPX 6900 community maintains a bullish outlook, with notable whale activity contributing to recent price surges. For instance, a significant purchase by a prominent investor, chartrapist.eth, involved swapping $1.88 million USDC for 4.29 million SPX at an average price of $0.437. However, as a meme token without intrinsic value, it carries high volatility and risk. Price, $1.67. Market cap, $1.55 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour, $100.04 million. Total supply, 930.99 million. Circulating supply, 930.99 million. Number 6. EOS. Price, 65 cents. Market cap $1.01 billion. Trading volume 24-hour $10.73 million. Total supply 2.1 billion. Circulating supply 1.57 billion. Number 5. Miggles. Price $0.037. Market cap $35.07 million. Trading volume 24-hour $2.18 million. Total supply 958.6 million. Circulating supply 957.37 million. Number 4. JTO. Price $2.21. Market cap $742.13 million. Trading volume 24-hour $193.34 billion. Total supply 999.99 million. Circulating supply 335.64 million. Number 3. Giga. Price 3 cents. Market cap $275.3 billion. Trading volume 24-hour $21.22 million. Total supply 9.6 billion. Circulating supply 9.3 billion. Number 2. XRP. XRP has a very good setup for a bullish run. It just needs to break past the $2.50 resistance. Also, as all other altcoins, XRP needs a favorable position from Bitcoin and stocks. Price $2.32. Market cap $136.36 billion. Trading volume 24-hour $2.83 billion. Total supply 99.98 billion. Circulating supply 58.75 billion. And number 1, of course, Algorand. In my opinion, this coin is one of the best risk to reward ratio investments. Of course, it needs to be monitored to keep the risk at minimum, but with the current setup, it could reach even beyond its all-time high, which would be more than 10x from now. Algorand is associated with XRP and usually moves very similarly, but since it has a lower market cap, it offers bigger gains. So if XRP manages to go over the $2.50 resistance, it could result in a very rapid growth for Algorand as well. Price 21 cents. Market cap $1.77 billion. Trading volume 24-hour $75.72 million. Total supply 10 billion. Circulating supply 8.61 billion. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.